VRBO now lets you set 3 kinds of promotions, and in this video I will show you exactly how you navigate to that section and how to set them up correctly. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. And once you're logged into VRBO from your computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your name there. Click on that and then choose Owner Dashboard. That will take you to the hosting dashboard, and then you need to click on Calendar option on the left hand side, which is the 3rd option. And once the calendar is open, you need to click on Settings here. Click on that and then choose Promotions, which is the 2nd option. This option wasn't there. They've recently added it. And this is the promotions page. You can just click on Create a Promotion, and that will give you 3 options. The first one is Early Booking Discount. Second is Last Minute Discount. And thirdly, Mobile Discount. Booking.com uses this mobile discount promotion a lot, so now it is available in VRBO as well. Now, how do you set them up? For that, click on the one you want to set, and on the following screen, first you can choose the amount of discount you want to offer. Let's say I want to offer 20% discount. Who wants to book at least 60 days in advance? And you can change it to 120 or even 365, whatever you like, it's all up to you. And the next option is, do you want to keep this promotion forever or you want to set an end date? If you want to set an end date, just flick this button to off, and then you will see the end date option is there. And you can set a start date and an end date for the promotion and just click on Create Promotion once that is done. Or if you just want to run this forever, click on this and click on Create Promotion at the bottom. The same way, you can go back to the previous screen again and click on Last Minute Discount. Again, you can set your promotion and days before your arrival. Usually I would set it to 3 days, but it is completely customizable. You can set it to whatever you want, and the same kind of date parameter, whether you want to run it forever or you just want to run it for a specific duration. And lastly, there is this mobile promotion. Click on that, and there you will see how much discount you want to offer. This promotion will specifically be available to people who are trying to book their stay on VRBO phone app and not from their computer. And keep in mind, this will be in addition to the other 2 discounts you set. So be very careful with this when you're setting it up. Once you're all done, just click on Create Promotions, and the promotions will start running on your listing from the date you have chosen as the start date. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.